In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly go back to the first home screen page. That is the first home screen page. I got there some screens, and if I want to quickly open up the first screen page, I have to do the following. And if I got there more than 4 pages, like 10 maybe, it can be a problem. So let me show you how to go to the first home screen really simple and fast. Now let's say you opened up some app, let it be reminders, and when you make such gesture you hop out your app, and there on the on your home screen, if you make that gesture again, it moves you to your first home screen. Let me show you again. Make a gesture like that. It moves you to the first home screen. Now if you want to move to another home screen by that gesture, you can do the following. You can hold down on that icon, it search and pages icon, hold down until icons start shaking, and there hold once again. And now here you can change the positions of screens. So if I want to open up that screen by that gesture, all I have to do is move the screen to the first position and hit done. And now if I'm on that screen, I can make that gesture to open up the screen that I want. That's all about how to quickly go back to the first home screen page, guys, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.